initiation, Retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Blume security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit. And I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
All the more reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Alright, y'all, what's up, man? We back with another one. We starting on Watch Dogs 2 now. So, you know, sit back and relax and enjoy with the Watts games. Also, make sure y'all like this joint. Spam that like button, man. Blow that joint out the frame. Make sure you comment. Also, make sure you subscribe. Alright, so we about to get into this game. Let's see what's popping. Alright, so I see our first mission is get rid of this guard. You ain't paying attention. Get on the ground, fool. You gonna take this. Okay, that's what we do, that's what we do. Alright, so you know, if we reverting back to the first Watch Dogs, you know, we're gonna use these cameras and we're gonna use it a lot. You know, I'm gonna try to do a lot of stealth play. A lot of stealth play. You know, sometimes it may go that way, sometimes it may not. We may have to get in the mix. But majority of the time I'm gonna try to, you know, do a little stealth game. Alright, so we got 2 at the bottom. Let's get it. Get on the ground. Get down, get down. Get down and lay down. Alright. We got him, y'all. Get him. Yeah, buddy. Choke out. There we go. Get to the top. Let's unlock this. Good deal, good deal. Big brain moves.
You're wasting your time. He's not in.
Gotcha.
So that's him.
He's got a gun. Is that a problem?
So they out here spying on
keep
me,
me around, right?
Time him. I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Already?
No synonyms either. Give me a real answer.
I'm just not that into aliens or video games.
It's not just any alien.
It's oh come on. Anyone else having a problem with their phone?
Ooh.
Oh god! Oh god!
Ooh. 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 This man slapping these people with a yo-yo.
Who is he?
It's Retro.
The home domain awareness hacker? That Retro?
Yes.
We told you that already?
Yeah, I never listened.
Alright, so let's hack this. Then alright, let's search the cameras. Let's find everybody in this junk. Because what I noticed from the first Watch Dogs is it's good to search everywhere and find everybody so you can have tabs on where they at. Hold on, except on me right over here. I'll get to him later. Alright, let's get it. Bro, I see you standing right there. Alright, let's move past this. You're gonna kiss this fade. Get out.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
Get out, bro. Get out. Get out. Got him. Just go to sleep, man. It's okay. Take a nap.
He's done this before.
CTOS tagged him as the prime suspect in a high-tech burglary, so...
He's done time.
Community service. Not enough evidence. Just the word of CTOS's predictive algorithms. Once in the system.
Always in the system.
Alright. Look like we did something. Alright, let's open this.
He's going in the
Look a little
hot
warm
aisle.
in there. Golly, that's a long
It's at
drive.
least 120 degrees in there.
120? I like the summertime, but 120 is just too hot.
Give the man props. He's going the mile.
He's in the system.
Nobody's gotten that far. This is like the secret cow level.
Alright, so we got a puzzle. We got a puzzle. Let's see. Alright, let's get it.
What the fuck? Why's my threat so high?
I know what I'm trying to say. Golly. Delete.
This is bullshit. Fuck.
Man, they got a whole list out for me.
Or I could just...
Why not? You know what I'm saying? You know. Go ahead and erase that. All right, let's see. Celebrity interior designer, yeah. Huh?
Just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
He's heading out. Bag him.
Yeah. Ethan's out cold. We got an intruder. Lock down the exit, then send someone to check him out.
All right, y'all. We got some work to do. Like I said, stealth mode.
Hey, you catch that? There's something over there.
Hey, there's something over there. Aye, got him.
Give it up. What was the...
Yeah, Be clear. We out of there.
Hold it right there.
Help him.
Where the fuck I'm gonna go?
Josh! Okay.
We gone.
Fuck you, Bloom!
Oh. So they're just gonna bag me.
In 2013, Chicago realized the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense?
Hey, yo, there's a message in that. Y'all better pay attention. Stop playing with these folks.
So, am I in?
Welcome to dedsec. I'm Satara. This sweetheart
That
is
sweater
Josh,
is
aka
crazy.
Hot Sauce.
Yo, you're hot sauce.
Not in a good way.
Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of the many.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
Man. It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Blume's bullshit. CTOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on there.
Thank you, Judge.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No! Sledgehammers on fire.
All of that data in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected for our credit card.
Or your house, or your insurance.
That's not even the worst case scenario. All that data in the hands of the government, they'll arrest you for shit before you even do it.
Yeah, I've been there. Now I fucking know why. Man, fuck it! Fuck it, man. We're hackers. We outthink, we out dare. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Blume's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck. I installed a back door, so all we gotta do is walk right through.
Hold on.
You what?
He installed the back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Hey, man. Do you got the time?
Hell yeah, man.
I got it.
Was this man
Oh,
just
late
peeing
for
out there in
night
front of
running.
everybody?
Hey, what you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
Have a good party.
Did the man just put something on my phone too? You just picked up my phone after I got done peeing?
Ping this mother. Fuck you, Blume. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Man, partied too hard. Woke up on the floor. Looking like, my head hurt.
Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
In the ocean, where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics and figure it out.